Sup peeps, Earl here of Yuga Tech, and we're back with another exciting episode of our quarterly roundup series, bringing you the most recent smartphones releases in the Philippines. In today's video, we will discuss new releases during the third quarter of 2023 covering the months of July to September, and specifically focusing on the budget-friendly options priced under 5,000 pesos. Let's jump right into the video. Upon checking, we actually only have two new budget phones released last quarter, the Realme C51 and the Redmi A2 Plus. With a 1,000 peso price difference, let's take a closer look at what both of them have to offer. Starting off with their displays. As usual, both gets an HD Plus resolution IPS LCD panels. However, only the Realme C51 features a 90Hz refresh rate. It is also slightly larger, measuring at 6.74 inch as compared to the 6.52 inch screen of the Redmi A2 Plus. Moving on to their chipsets, the Realme C51 uses the Unisoc T612 while the Redmi A2 Plus has MediaTek Helio G36. Both these chips are based on a 12nm process node and feature 8 cores. The former reaches a clock speed of up to 1.82 GHz, while the latter takes it a step further with 2.2 GHz max clock speed, implying a slightly faster performance. In terms of configuration, both devices have extended RAM capability. The Realme C51 offers a couple of RAM options with either 3GB or 4GB onboard RAM and up to 4GB extended memory. Additionally, it offers ample storage choices including 4GB and 128GB variants. In contrast, the Redmi A2 Plus has a default 3GB onboard RAM with 2GB extended memory. As per storage, it comes with a default capacity of 32GB. Both devices offer expandable storage, but if you're someone who needs a lot of storage, you'll be glad to know that the Realme C51 can support an impressive 2TB additional space via microSD, while the Redmi A2 Plus can handle up to 1TB, which is still quite impressive for the price. Now for the cameras, this is where the Realme C51 takes the spotlight, boasting a dual camera setup with a 50MP main lens. The Redmi A2 Plus also features dual camera with an 8MP main lens. As for selfies, both phones are equipped with a 5MP front-facing camera. For the battery, both models pack a 5000mAh battery pack. The Redmi A2 Plus only gets a 10W charging rate via a micro USB port, and the Realme C51 gets a 30W SuperBook via USB. Software-wise, the Realme C51 runs Android 13 out of the box with a toned-down Realme UIT edition on top, while the Redmi A2 Plus runs Android 12 Go edition, which I presume uses a toned-down version of MUI as well. Now for the most important bit, the price. The Realme C51 launched at 4,999 pesos. For the price, you get a smoother screen, flexible RAM and storage options, a better main camera, faster charging, and more updated software. On the other hand, the Redmi A2 Plus sets you back only for 3,999 pesos, making it 1,000 peso cheaper. To achieve this lower price, some cutbacks had to be made, but it's still a great deal considering it falls into the budget entry tier category. So what do you guys think about these devices under 5,000 pesos? Would you grab this? And if you will, which do you prefer? Show your comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click that bell icon so you won't miss any of our future uploads. And don't forget to follow us on our socials, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. Be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Earl, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!